In today's video, we'll see the recipe of a very famous lip-smacking Indian dessert, the Shahi Tukda or double ka meetha. I will also share with you a secret ingredient that I used in this recipe that would actually double the taste of this double ka meetha. So watch till the end to know what that secret ingredient is. For this recipe, you would need some white bread slices. I have taken 6 of them. Now I will cut out cylindrical pieces from these bread slices. You can cut these into any desired shape. It's completely up to you. You can store the leftover bread in the refrigerator and use them to make breadcrumbs. We will fry these bread pieces. For that, I'm gonna add some ghee to a pan. You can either deep fry or shallow fry the bread pieces. In this recipe, I'm using just 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee to fry them. Set the flame on medium and fry these until they turn crisp and golden brown on both the sides. Frying the bread pieces in ghee gives the Shahi Tukda a very good flavor. Next, we need to prepare a sugar syrup. For this, I'm going to add some sugar to a pan followed by some water. Stir this until the sugar gets dissolved completely. So we will just boil this for a minute or two and turn off the flame. Next step is to prepare the rabdi and time to reveal my secret ingredient. So my secret ingredient is the badam mix that we typically add to milk and drink. So we need to add some milk to it and make a semi-thick paste. So I have used the MTR badam mix in this recipe. To prepare the rabdi, you need to boil some milk. To this, I'm gonna add in some sweetened condensed milk. If you do not have condensed milk, you can use sugar. I have used the regular cow milk, but if you have full fat milk, you can use that as well. So once the milk starts boiling, we are going to collect the cream that forms on top and stick it to the sides of the pan. So we are going to repeat this until the milk reduces to 1/4 and you have collected enough cream. You need to set the flame on medium throughout the entire process. Time to add in the badam mix. There are 3 reasons why I'm using this. 1. It thickens the rabdi. 2. It imparts a very good flavor. And 3. It is a very good substitute for saffron because this badam mix has saffron in it. After this, we will scrape off the cream and add it back to the milk. Add in some cardamom powder. We will also add in some chopped almonds and pistachios. And finally, a teaspoon of ghee to enhance the flavor. The rabdi is ready. We will let it come down to room temperature. The final step is to assemble all of these. So I'm going to pour the rabdi into a bowl. Now we will dip the fried bread pieces in the sugar syrup and leave them in for a minute. After a minute, remove from the sugar syrup and place them on top of the rabdi. You can even place the bread slices first in a bowl and pour the rabdi on top. I'm just doing it this way for the presentation in this video. I will also drizzle some rabdi on top. And garnish with chopped nuts. Some dried rose petals. And some edible silver leaf. Delicious Shahi Tukda is now ready. You can chill this in the refrigerator for some time and then have it. So with every bite, you would get the flavor from the crispy bread slices fried in ghee, the flavor from the rich, creamy rabdi, and of course, not to mention our secret ingredient, the badam mix, which actually doubled the flavor of the double ka meetha. So do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe and watch more interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.